Okay, in the last video we looked at C major scale and the formula for a major scale, and we drew it on the staff in treble clef. And in this video right here, I want to draw it in the bass clef, just so that we're 100% clear and sure how to do that here. Okay, so let's do that. Right here, we know C major scale has no sharps and flats, no accidentals. So let's draw it here. So starts right here. How do we know? It's on a space. All cows eat grass. C. There's C. So C, D, E. Remember, we go line, space, line, space, line, space, then line, space, line, space. Okay, so C, this is D, E, F, G, A, B, and middle C, C. Okay, so there we go. We could have also done it a different way, not starting on this C. We could have started an octave, 8 notes lower, right? So the distance between this C and this C is 8 notes, right? That also known as an octave, right? 8 notes between this C and this C, and we can double check that on the keyboard up here. So here's C, and here's the top C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 notes, an octave. Okay, that's all straightforward. So how are we going? So what that's what I was saying. We could actually start this 8 notes lower, right? An octave, 8 notes lower. So how would we go about that? Well, let's do it here. So we know here is C. So we want 8 notes below this, and it's going line space for all the notes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it would be 1, 2. So that note there, if I have done that right, E, D, C. No, I have done that wrong. Let's, instead of going, this can be dum dum. So we've got C. That's what I did. That note's there, and then that note is on the line. I went one too many. I went 2 spaces. So this note here is the C below, and we know that's right. Here's G, here's E, and here's C. Okay, so we could start here. So this would be the same C. You can try to get this as accurate as you can. C, so there's line, space. Remember, we're in the bass clef, so this next one, that's E. C, D, because we're in the bass clef. So we've got C, D, E, F, G. We know that's right. Good boys deserve, or green buses drive fast. Our little rhyme there. F, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, so that makes sense, I hope. So there we go. There's 2 different. We've now drawn C major scale in bass clef in 1 octave, starting on a lower C, and also 1 octave starting on a higher C. But remember, here's middle C here, right? Here's middle C here. So this C is 8 notes below middle C. So this starting note will be, if we call this one middle C, then that one's this note, this here. That's our starting point. This C here, this C here. An octave below, so this C here will be another octave below here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be that C right there. Okay. So I think that's enough for this video. That's C major scale in the bass clef.